What do you get when you combine a compact Chinese caravan, a journey from Shanghai to Inner Mongolia, and a handful of quirky features? Say hello to the MIY MY92XLJ03, our home on wheels for this unforgettable road trip. Let me walk you through its highs, lows, and everything in between. Where the heck do they get the model names from? In all of Shanghai, we found just one place that rents caravans, and their fleet consists of only 3 caravans. We managed to snag this small yet functional caravan packed with surprises. It's not luxurious, but it's perfect for an adventurous spirit. The caravan relies on a single gas bottle to power its water heater and external cooking plate. The catch? You can only use one at a time. A switch determines where the gas flows. Flip it for hot water or dinner prep. The dealer showed us how to operate it, and it's pretty straightforward if you plan ahead. If you're camping at a site with 220-volt power, the water heater can also run on shore power, which helps save gas. The external cooking plate is compact and easy to use, but requires manual setup each time. You'll need to connect the gas hose, open a small valve to let the gas flow, and you're good to go. Just don't put any heavy pots or pans on it. The cooktop isn't built for weight. After cooking, push the levers down to slide it back into its compartment. The caravan comes with a few handy extras. External shower hose, great for washing dishes or rinsing muddy shoes. Storage compartment. It's small but functional, perfect for essentials. Just note that every lock has its own key. Why not one key for everything? We'll never know. Diesel heater. It kept us warm during chilly nights, but we had some drama with it at Yantai Car Ferry Port. A security officer wanted to remove the diesel container because it's flammable, but after explaining it's fixed and cannot be removed, they let us through. Adjusting the heater was simple and effective once we got the hang of it. In our caravan, the septic tank looks pretty standard. Compact, functional, and designed to handle the basics. But here's the catch. It's always my job to empty it. Every single time. The control panel is the brain of the caravan, allowing you to manage lights, water pumps, and more. All buttons had some icons, but all the text were in Chinese. Water tank level when full 150 liters. The refrigerator runs on a 12V system, while the spotlights also double as USB charging ports, perfect for keeping devices powered. Under the sofa, you'll find the inverter control panel. This lets you switch from the 12-volt system to 220-volt for appliances like the microwave. It's a useful feature. The caravan also has solar panels for charging, but managing all the separated individual functions was tricky as most controls were labeled in Chinese. Every function have its own remote control or display, making it difficult to manage without any clear manuals. The AC could only run for about 3 to 4 hours on battery power, so we had to use it sparingly. The storage. The cabinet space in this caravan is very limited. Sure, it forces you to pack light and get creative, but it's a constant game of Tetris trying to fit everything. Now let's get into the real issue. Balance. The caravan has a 150-liter water tank, which is great for staying hydrated and clean on the road. But there's a problem. The tank is mounted at the very front, and when you fill it up, that weight becomes a towing nightmare. Dining, sleeping, and space management. The dining table can be pushed down to create a wide bed. It's a bit wobbly, but it works. Simply take the sofa cushions and arrange them to form the mattress. The bed is wider than the table underneath, so it's not the most stable setup, but it's spacious. The rear bunks offer additional flexibility. They can transform into a small table and sofas. However, we mostly use them as storage to shift weight to the back of the caravan during the drive. Water management. The water system was another lesson in patience. Filling the tank. The 150-liter tank sits almost level with the filling pipe, making it challenging to fill completely. The included flexible black hose and fittings helped, but it took some effort to get it right. challenges, and quirks. Some parts of the Caravan's systems felt disjointed. Scattered controls. The various systems, AC, solar panels, and more, were controlled by different remotes with no manuals. Navigating them was like solving a puzzle. Ball weight issue. The water tank's position near the front caused the ball weight to be high, making towing a bit tricky. We compensated by using the rear bunks as storage. Final thoughts. The MIY 9012XLJ03 is far from perfect, but its quirks add to the adventure. From the gas system and limited cabinet space to the wobbly bed and challenging water tank, this Caravan makes you work for your comfort. But isn't that what makes road trips memorable? Would you take this compact Caravan on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel adventures, and check out the description for links to other stories from the road. Until next time, happy travels.